Hi, welcome to Miss Bell channel. Today let's make some cute cupcakes with Play-Doh. I'm having white, blue, green, yellow, brown, and pink dough. However, you can make it with whatever colors you like, it doesn't matter. I also have 1 spoon and 2 cupcake paper cups. Okay, now let's do it. First, use the brown dough to make the cake of the cupcake. Put it in the paper cup and shape it with some motions of your hand. Then, let's make the cream for the cupcake. Use the white dough, shape it into a short cone shape, and attach it on the cake you just made. Now this is fun. To make it look like real cream, use a spoon to make some grooves from the bottom to the top. See? It looks more like cream now. For this cream of the second cupcake, I'll make it smaller. Next, we're making 5 small pieces of blue dough to make the petals of the flower. Use a spoon to press them. Curve 2 sides of the petals and then put them on the top of the cream. Don't forget to use a bit of yellow dough to make the pistil of the flower. And you're done with the first cupcake! Moving on, use the pink dough to make a rose. Make a long cylinder and make it flat. To create a rose, you just need to roll it. Sometimes you fold the dough upside down to make it more real. Attach the rose next to the cream and time to finish the cupcake with 2 little green leaves. Ta-da! You're all done! Create your own cupcakes and share them with me. Thank you for watching. Goodbye!